Bruno. Yeah, it's Guy. I decided to do what you want. I'll make that visit to your father. Tonight. I just want to get it over with. Can you leave the house again, Bruno? You better stay out till daylight. Mr. Anthony. Mr. Anthony. I need to talk to you. About your son. About Bruno. Mr. Anthony.
Yes, Mr. Haynes. My father isn't home, Mr. Haynes. I was about to tell you that over the phone, but you came to such a quick decision, I wondered why.
Well, since you sent me this key, I thought I'd use it. Thought I'd make a social visit to your father. Let him know how much of a lunatic son he has.
Then I am correct, Mr. Haynes, in assuming that you had no intention of going through our arrangement?
No intention whatsoever. I never had.
I see. Well, you won't be needing the key anymore then, will you, Mr. Haynes?
No.
Thank you.
For this. Look, Bruno, you're terribly sick. I don't know whether it's possible for you to realize that or not. I don't know much about this stuff at all, but I do know you need treatment. Not for just you, but for everyone else. Because every time you meet somebody, you call this new destruction. You need to stop.
I don't like to be double-crossed. I have a murder on my conscience. But it's not my murder, Mr. Haynes, it's yours. And since you're the one to profit from it, I think you should be the one to pay for it.
Well, I guess it's no use, Bruno. I guess we have nothing further to discuss.
Don't worry. I'm not going to shoot you, Mr. Haynes. I don't want to disturb Mother. I'm a very clever fellow, and I think I can come up with something a lot better.